Aloha and welcome to this module on configuration management. This, without a doubt, is perhaps the most important module of the entire semester in terms of giving you familiarity with, with techniques that you will use literally for the rest of your career in software development. Isn't that amazing? Okay, configuration management is going to follow you around. You're going to be dealing with it as long as you are collaborating with other people in the creation of structured artifacts. I don't even know, I don't care if it's a Word document even. You're going to want to understand concepts of configuration management and version control. Fortunately, in this class, we're not going to be dealing with Word documents. We're going to be dealing with much more interesting kinds of documents, basically software documents. And we're going to be using what is currently pretty much the state-of-the-art in configuration management systems. That's Git. And we're going to be using pretty much the state-of-the-art in cloud-based hosting services for configuration management, aka GitHub. Okay, so this is going to be really helpful to you. Learning how to use Git and learning how to post your software and other documents potentially on GitHub is going to make you much more valuable in the workforce, and more importantly, you're going to be able to do things and work with other people much more quickly and effectively than you were before. So it's a great thing, configuration management, and I hope that you really spend the time to go through all the materials in this module, because the faster that you get facile with Git and GitHub, the better off you're going to be. Okay, so I've got a little, I've got a screencast, 15 minutes, that talks about the background of version control and configuration management. Gives you some historical stuff. Good to know in case someone ever asks you about Subversion or CVS or something like that. You can kind of vaguely remember it. Then there's the first chapter of ProGit, which gives you the basics. And then GitHub is the system that we're going to be using for hosting. And there's several kind of sections of the GitHub sign-up process that you should go through, so you can practice that. If you're comfortable with GitHub already and already have a GitHub account, you'll breeze through this in a very short order. Here's a page where I kind of talk about some of the essential aspects of using GitHub and Git for this class. Here's a GitHub cheat sheet repo with lots of tips and tricks. So if you you may find some cool things in here. It's optional. There's also this 70-minute screencast by Linus Torvalds that's been viewed 1.5 million times, where he talks about why he made Git and so forth, and you can watch it if you'd like. It's always entertaining to hear Linus Torvalds. And then we have 3 experiences. One is to use this system called Learn Git Branching, which is an interactive kind of tutorial. So go through that. The second is this Try Git system, which is another kind of interactive tutorial that I think will help you also get comfortable with it. And then, of course, we have a technical essay where I want you to reflect upon what you've learned about configuration management from the screencasts and the experiences so far this week, and talk about it in a way that other technical professionals might find some enlightenment from your views about this. Okay, so try to make it really relevant, and we'll be assessing your understanding of configuration management through the technical essays. If you look on the schedule page, you'll see that this is this week, and they're going to come up. Here's the reflection that is due here. All right, so that's configuration management. I'm super excited about you having this under your belt early in the semester, because as soon as we have Git and GitHub, believe you me, we are going to be using it constantly for the remainder of the semester. So enjoy this week. Get some Git under your belt, and I'll see you soon.